It's time for the light road. Who I tell you about, but should be going closer, but separately. You play this up. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready? Ski, dash, over the lightning round. I'm going to start with Joe in New York. Joe.
Hey, Jim. Open Door Technologies. Since May, this stock more than tripled. Is it still a buy?
No, I actually think it's a bit of a short squeeze. They're not making any money. And you know what? It's one of those situations where it can continue to go higher, but not for any fundamental reason. So I can't get behind it. Sam, Massachusetts. Sam.
Hey, Jim. Thank you for taking my call.
Of course.
You guys are doing a great job on the Investing Club. I love it.
Thank you, buddy. I know I talk about it a lot, maybe too much, but I do like it so much. What's going on?
I like to take what I've learned on the club and look for my own deals. And I thought I had one, and it's been a nightmare. What am I going to do with Nextera?
You know, Nextera, which does it does a lot of sustainable energy. You would think it'd be as good as Constellation, which is the CEG kind, but no, the money's coming out of NE and going to Constellation. I think it should reverse itself, but it's not going to do it necessarily soon. Let's go to Edward in California. Edward.
Hey, Cramer, great big booyah. Coming to you from Silicon Valley.
Oh, fantastic. I love Silicon Valley. Got to go there soon. What's happening?
Hey, thanks for everything you do. The Investment Club is awesome.
You're terrific. Thank you.
It's great. I was wondering if you could give me your thoughts on CVS Health. Buy, sell, or hold?
Well, you know, Karen Lynch is doing everything right. They're trying to move away from just brick and mortar to regular. They've been really big in healthcare, but the problem is, and it yields 3.3%. I'm not going to fight the stock here. I think at 8 times earnings, 3.3%, I think it's fine. I don't think it's great, though. Why? Because of shrinkage, because of pilfers, because of those darn plastic things that are like in front of every single thing you want to buy, because of the bell you have to ring in order to get it. And that's what turns me off to CVS. Let me throw in Walgreens, too. How about David in Nevada? David.
I'm here, sir. Thank you for taking my call.
What's up?
I'd like to know about ChargePoint Energy.
No, ChargePoint's losing too much money. It's a commodity business. I do not want to touch it. Let's go to John in New York. John.
Jim, big booyah here from South Shore, Long Island.
There you go. What's up?
Jim, call about Mexican airline Volaris. DLR.
No, I know Volaris very well, and I don't really care for it. I've got to tell you, I do like the Mexican peso, and I do like Mexico, but the stock has had too big a run, and most of the airlines are retreating, and I think that one is going to, too. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Coming up, Cramer adds a new hard and fast axiom to his rule book. Don't miss the big reveal that can help keep you sane when the going gets tough. Next. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.